Hi, I'm G Major 20th Century Fox, and today I'm going to bring fireworks to school. But first, time to get them from the garage.
G Major 20th Century Fox, you are now allowed to bring fireworks to school because it's too dangerous.
Stay still, everyone. 4th of July is coming soon. Let us see what fireworks should I choose. I'll go for the Blazing Rebel.
Oh no! G Major 20th Century Fox is going to do the Blazing Rebel fireworks at us. G Major 20th Century Fox, don't you dare ignite that fireworks.
Prepare to die, both of you.
Oh no! We must get out of here before the fireworks burst off.
I agree with you, Dusty. Let's get out of here now!
Hey, what's going on here?
I just brought fireworks to school and blasted them out.
Oh my god. G Major 20th Century Fox. How dare you bring fireworks to school? That's it. Come with me to the principal's office. G Major 20th Century Fox. Tell Principal Joel what you did.
I brought fireworks to school and blasted them out.
Oh my god! G Major 20th Century Fox. How dare you bring fireworks to school? You know bringing fireworks to school could get you a lot in trouble. That's it. I'm calling 20th Century Fox.
Is this 20th Century Fox?
Yes. What did my G Major Fox logo do wrong this time?
Well, you will be really angry to hear this. Your G Major Fox logo brought fireworks to school and blasted them out. Can you come to this school?
Oh my god. He will be in big trouble. And yes, I will come to the school.
Okay, thanks. Bye. 20th Century Fox will be here shortly.
Here I am.
Thanks for coming. Here are the punishments. G Major 20th Century Fox is getting 45 hours or after the school detention, 2 weeks of lunch detention, Thursday and Friday. Talk to the counselor, a referral, and a 6 weeks ISS.
Oh my god! G Major 20th Century Fox. How dare you bring fireworks to school? That's it. You're going home right now.
By the way, he will be having a lunch detention with me one day.
G Major 20th Century Fox. You're grounded for 6 months. Get your butt upstairs to your room right now.
Fine. Screw you, 20th Century Fox.
Hey. Do not be so disrespectful by talking back to me.